Let's make a delicious and flavorful Asian delicacy called chicken pad thai. This popular Thai dish combines stir-fried noodles with tender chicken, vegetables, and a sweet, tangy, and slightly spicy sauce. Here's a recipe and step-by-step instructions. Ingredients. For the pad thai sauce: 1. 3 tablespoons tamarind paste. 2. 3 tablespoons fish sauce. 3. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 4. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 5. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. 6. 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, adjust to taste. 7. Juice of 1 lime. For the pad thai: 1. 8 ounces, 225 grams, rice noodles. 2. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 3. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, thinly sliced. 4. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 5. 2 large eggs, lightly beaten. 6. 1 cup bean sprouts. 7. 1/2 cup sliced green onions. 8. 1/2 cup chopped cilantro. 9. 1/4 cup crushed peanuts. 10. Lime wedges for garnish. Instructions. Prepare the rice noodles. 1. Cook the rice noodles according to the package instructions until they are just tender. 1. Drain, rinse with cold water, and set aside. Prepare the pad thai sauce. 1. In a small bowl, whisk together the tamarind paste, fish sauce, soy sauce, brown sugar, rice vinegar, red pepper flakes, and lime juice. 1. Adjust the flavors to your liking. 1. You can add more sugar for sweetness or more red pepper flakes for heat. Stir-fry the chicken. 1. Heat a large wok or a large skillet over high heat. 1. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. 2. Add the sliced chicken to the hot pan and stir-fry until it's cooked through and slightly browned, about 3–4 minutes. 3. Remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside. Cook the eggs. 1. In the same pan, add the remaining 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. 2. Add minced garlic and stir-fry for about 30 seconds until fragrant. 3. Push the garlic to one side of the pan and pour the beaten eggs into the other side. 4. Scramble the eggs and cook until they're just set. Combine and toss. 1. Add the cooked chicken back into the pan with the scrambled eggs. 2. Add the cooked rice noodles and the prepared pad thai sauce. 2. Toss everything together and stir-fry for a few minutes until heated through. Add vegetables. 1. Stir in the bean sprouts and half of the chopped green onions. 1. Cook for an additional 1–2 minutes. Serve. 1. Transfer the pad thai to serving plates. 2. Garnish with the remaining green onions, chopped cilantro, and crushed peanuts. 3. Serve hot with lime wedges on the side for an extra burst of flavor. Enjoy your homemade chicken pad thai, a delightful and classic Asian delicacy. You can customize the level of spice and garnishes to suit your taste.